Hello students, welcome to the online classes. As in our previous video we started our chapter 4, that is basic geometrical ideas. So today we will continue with that. Okay. So students, now our next topic is about angles. What are angles? Here you can see that AB is a ray here and AC is a ray here. Okay. So when the two rays connected on a single point is called, or we can say on a single point makes angle. Okay, makes angle. So here AB is the ray, AC is the ray, and this A is the common point, and together they are forming an angle. Okay, so what is the angle here? This angle A. We can write angle A, or students we can write BAC, or we can write it BAC, or we can write CAB, or we can write CAB. In this, students, you have to always remember that this vertex point on which these two rays are connecting, this will become this should become in the middle. It's coming in the middle here, A and A, or these two endpoints can be written first or second in any manner. Here I have written BAC, or here I have written CAB. So in these three manners we can write the name of any angle. Okay. Now interior point. What is the interior point, students? Here this is the angle. So this area is in the interior of the angle. Okay, so whatever will be the point in this area will be the interior point. Okay, so this Q is the interior point. So here Q is the interior point. Suppose here is any another point. Suppose this L is here. It means L is also the interior point here. It means L is also the interior point. Now exterior point. Any point which will be not in this area, means outside this area, will be the exterior point. Suppose here I am marking this X, here I am marking this Y. Okay, so these X and Y are exterior points here, because these are not coming in the area of the angle, or we can say in this portion. Okay, now on the angle, what are the points on the angle? These are the two rays of the angle. This one ray and this one ray. Okay, these are on the angle. Okay, so whatever the points on these rays will be called the points on the angle. Okay, so here B is already here, C is already here. Suppose I am marking it here as F. Here I am marking it as W. It means these B, F, A, C, B, F, A, C, and this W point also. These all are on the angle. These all points are on the angle. Okay. So students, I hope you understand the concept of angles. Now we will do some questions. Name the angles. This one figure is given to us and we have to name the angles. Okay. So this is one angle here, angle A. This is another angle, angle B. This is another angle, angle C, and this is another one angle, angle D. So we will write here angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. These are the angles here. Okay. And what can we name them? Suppose we are talking about angle A. But I have told you that what will be the vertex angle? That should be in the middle, and we can write here any of the two letters. Means this is the angle here, this one I am telling you like this. This is the angle here, as you can see. This is the angle A, means we can write it DAB, or we can write BAD. Okay, so here we can write it as BAD. Okay, now angle B is here, so this is the angle B, students. So we can write it as CBA, angle CBA, or we can say it ABC. Okay, whatever you want to write. Now angle C is here. This is the angle C here. Okay, so these two rays are making angle C. So what we can write? We can write it angle C or BCD. Students, you must remember that this C should be in the middle if we are talking about angle C. Now we will be talking about angle D. So this D should be in middle. This one is the angle D here. This one. Okay, so this is C and this is A. So we can write it ADC, or we can write CDA, but C should be in the middle. Okay, so these are the angles in this question: angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. Okay, now in the next example, name the points. We have to name whatever the part is asking for. In the interior of DOE. So students, first of all, you should know what is the angle DOE here. This angle DOE. This is the angle DOE here. D is this one point, means the DO, and this is E point, means we are talking about this one angle. Okay, so in the interior, what is in the interior of this angle? Angle A is in the interior. Okay, so we will write that angle A is in the interior of angle DOE. Okay, now in the exterior of EOF, what is the E of F here? E is this point, O is this point, and F is this point, means this one angle EOF. This is the angle. Okay, now in what is the exterior point? Means the angle should not be in this region, and all the points will be at the exterior. Okay, so this point C is at the exterior of E of F. This angle, this point A, sorry, we are representing point, so this will be point A, this will be point C. Now this is angle EOF, so C is at the exterior, A is at the exterior. This angle D is at the exterior. Okay, so these will be the point at the exterior of EOF. This point D, A, C. Okay, these are not coming in this range, so these all are at the exterior of EOF. Now on EOF, what are the points on angle EOF? This is angle EOF, this one. Okay, so what are the points? F is the point, so we will write F. Now O is the point on this, so O is the point. Now B is the point on this, so we will write B. Now E is the point on this, so we will write E. So these all are the points on angle EOF. Okay. Students, our next topic is triangle. What is triangle? Three-sided polygon. This is polygon. As we have discussed in our previous video, polygon means it should be made up of line segments. Here it is made up of three sides, so we can say three line segments, and it is a closed figure also. Okay, so this is called triangle, three-sided polygon. Now students, here draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. So here I am drawing a sketch of a triangle. This is a triangle here, and we have to name it as ABC because here ABC is a triangle. Now mark a point P in its interior. So this is the interior part of the triangle. This is the interior part. Okay, so we have to mark a point P in its interior. So in this portion we can mark a point and we will name it as P. Now Q in its exterior. This is in the interior part, and this whole area is the exterior part. Okay, so in this part we can mark the point Q anywhere. So I am marking it here. This is point Q. Now is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? Students, this is point A. So we have to tell, is it in the interior or is it in the exterior? Students, if you will check, this is neither in the interior because this is the interior portion, and neither it is in the exterior. It is on the triangle. So we will write that point A is neither in the exterior. Point A is neither in the exterior nor in the interior. Okay, nor in the interior, but it is on the triangle ABC. Okay, it is on the triangle ABC. It is on the boundaries. Okay, so this is neither in the interior nor at the exterior, it is at the triangle ABC. Okay, now next one is identify three triangles. This figure is given to us, and in this we have to identify three triangles. So students, what will be the three triangles? First of all, we will take this bigger one triangle. Okay, this bigger one triangle, this is ABC. So one of the triangle is, we will make the symbol of triangle, then we will write ABC. So we can say that we are naming triangle. So triangle ABC. Now we can say this one is one of the triangle, this one. Okay, so here this is ABD. So it is triangle ABD. And next one can be this one triangle, this smaller one on the right side. Okay, so this triangle is ADC. So next one is triangle ADC. So these are the three triangles in this figure. Now next one is write the names of 7 angles. We have to write the name of 7 angles. So first of all, we will take the angles of the bigger one triangle. Okay, means the triangle ABC. So here this is the angle A, this is angle B, and this is angle C. And how we will name that? For the symbol of angle, we will write like this. Now for A we can write BAC, means A should be in the middle, so BAC. For B we can write angle ABC. Okay, this will be the angle ABC, and this one will be angle ACB. We can write it as angle ACB, or we can write BCA. This angle will be ACB or BCA, we can write. Okay, these are the three angles, angle A, angle B, and angle C. Okay, of this one triangle. Now we will write about an ABD. Triangle ABD is this one. Okay, I am drawing it here again. This is angle A, triangle ABD here. So what are the angles? This one, and this one. Okay, students, this one we have written earlier. This was the triangle ABC that we have written. So we will skip this one and we will write another two. So this one angle means this half angle, this smaller one angle. Okay, because this is the triangle here. So this angle. So what will be the name of this angle? BAD we can write. A should be in the middle because we are talking about this. So BAD. So another angle will be BAD. Now next one will be this one, angle D. So how we can name that? ADB or BDA. So angle BDA. Okay, so these are the 5 angles. Now we will talk about this smaller one angle which is on the right side. This is the triangle ADC is the triangle here. This one, okay, which I have marked here. This one triangle. So students, in this is angle A. I am drawing the figure of only ADC here. Means this is A, this is D, this is C. Okay, so what will be the name? This C is already marked. This is A. This was ACB, which we have marked here ACB. So we will skip this one. Now we will write the name of this angle and this angle. Okay, this smaller one angle of A, this side angle of A, and this angle D. So CAD will be the angle CAD, and this will be ADC. So angle ADC. So students, these are the 7 angles in this figure. Okay. Now C part is write the names of 6 line segments. What will be the 6 line segments, students? AB is one of the line segment. So we will write AB. Now next one will be AC. So I am writing here AC. Okay, students, why I am making this symbol? Because this symbol is used for line segments. Okay, now this bigger one BC. So this is another line. Now students, this middle one line BD, which is passing in this triangle. So AD is another line. Okay, now next one will be, students, can't we write this only, this one line BD? Okay, because this is the line segment of triangle ABD. So this line segment BD will be the another one, and another one will be the line segment of this ADC, means this one line, this smaller one, which is CD, or we can write DC. Okay, so these are the 5 line segments. We have to write 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, means these are the 6 line segments here. Now in the D part, write 2 triangles that have B as common. Okay, means this angle should be common. So first one can be ABD, the smaller one, means triangle ABD is the first one. Okay, and students, this bigger one ABC, the bigger one triangle is also including angle B. So we will write triangle ABC. Students, if you will observe, this is B, this has B, and this triangle also has angle B. Okay, means these 2 triangles has angle B common. Okay, so these 2 are the triangles here. So students, by this your today's topic is over. Hope to see in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.